Hi, in this video, we're going to look at how you would complete NIMISMA's self-assessment tax checklist and submit the details to your advisor. So first of all, you would have received an email from your advisor, and that email will have a link to this checklist. So when you click on the link, it'll open up. It'll open up on a web browser. So to access the questionnaire, you'll need to enter your date of birth. Then we'll click continue. And this is the tax checklist. So now you'll just make sure that the details on the top are correct, and then you'll go ahead and start filling out all of your income details. So, for example, let's say you were employed during the year. So you'll just select yes, and then enter all of the relevant information like your employer name, PAYE reference, etc. And within this question as well, you will have an option to upload your P60 or P45. You will also have options to add other employments if you have multiple employments during this particular tax year. And you also have a section where you can add additional comments. And this information will be passed on to your advisor. Um, so we'll just select no for now. And then let's say you are self-employed during the year. Um, Select yes, and then go ahead and start filling out these details like the trading start date, the trading end date, the nature of business, and also any additional comments that you want to add. And what you're able to do is you are able to uh, so you'll need to click here, and what this will do is you will be able to download a template. This will be the self-employment template that you'll complete. And then once you've completed with that template, you will then save that within your computer, um, and then upload it back into this section. So now that template will have information about, so you will have you'll be able to fill in your turnover, expenses. So you'll also be able to provide information in relation to sales, expenses, etc. So it'll be an Excel file that you'll download by clicking on the click here button, and you'll just need to complete that template with all of the um, turnover details, sales and expense details. And once done, you'll save that on your computer and upload it by clicking on the upload button. So for now, we'll just select no. And then let's say you have bank interest income. Select yes, and then fill in the relevant details. So select the bank and then enter the interest amount. Select the type of interest. It can be untaxed UK interest or taxed UK interest. And then if you have multiple, um, uh, if you have interest received from multiple banks, then you will add all of those details in by clicking on Add Another Bank Building Society button. And again, you also have comments section where you can add additional comments in relation to this particular section, and you're also able to attach any supporting documents. So we'll go ahead, click on continue, and then we'll click on save and next. And then you'll basically go ahead and fill in all of these in details. So you'll go through each and every question, and you'll need to complete all of these details. So I'll click on save and next. What I'd like to show you is I'd also like to show you how you'd fill in property income details. So we'll just go back 2 steps, and we'll find that information for you. So if you've received rental income, then you'll need to select yes. And then if you've done the bookkeeping side of things for it, just select no, yes. And then you can go ahead and fill in all of these details with all that they ask for here. So you will have all of these details if you've done the bookkeeping side of things yourself. But if not, just select no, and then you can and then your advisor asks you this question: would you like us to perform the bookkeeping for you? So if you'd like them to do that, then click on yes. If not, just select no, and then again you have a template that you can download. So just click on the click here button. So just click on the here button, and you'll be able to download an Excel template, fill in all of the details in relation to the property income, and then save that information to your computer and click on the upload button to upload the final information in. So this is how you would fill the information in relation to your property income, self-employment income, employment income, and all other types of incomes. As well as anything else that needs to go into the tax return, like, for example, tax reliefs, and anything that you've contributed against a pension scheme, etc. So you'll go ahead and once you're on the last page, you also have an option to upload files on the final page. So just general information that you want to send to your advisor, you can upload it from within this section. Now, if you're happy that you filled in all of the details, just click on review and submit. And then you can go ahead and review all of the details. And then if you did find that you need to edit them again, just click on the edit button. If not, if you're happy, just click the submit button. And now this completed checklist has now been submitted to your advisor. If you did have any questions about how to fill this in, do contact your advisor, your numisma advisor, and they will be able to help you with any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this was helpful.